All right, for this experiment, we are going to be combining 4 different substances to see how the properties may change. So the first substance we're using is identified as SB for sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate is a white solid. It's powdery. It can kind of hold shape. See, I pushed my finger into it there, made a little dent. It doesn't pour very easily or shift very easily, so it's a little clumpy. It kind of sticks together. And I happen to know that this stuff is not toxic to human beings. Substance number 2 is CC, or calcium chloride. It is also a white solid, but instead of being powdery, it's more like Dippin' Dots or like little baby snowballs. I would call this chunky or clumpy versus powdery. It makes a little sound when you move it around, and it is toxic to human beings. The next substance is PR, or phenol red. Phenol red is a liquid. It is red colored, kind of maybe a dark pink almost, or a very light red. It is very thin and liquidy. It's not thick like honey. It pours very easily and readily. This is also toxic to humans. And our last substance is water. As you know, water is a clear liquid. It is not toxic to humans. It is odorless, tasteless, and again, very thin and easily pours. These 10 milliliters of water are going to be added to our 5 milliliters of phenol red. And then for this experiment, one substance will be put into one corner of this bag. The other solid will be put into the other corner of the bag. So this was 1 teaspoon of sodium bicarbonate, 2 teaspoons of calcium chloride. We're going to try to keep them separate. We're going to put the liquid container in the center and get as much air out of the bag. This is kind of important, and you'll see why in a minute. Squeeze as much air out of the bag without knocking over the liquid container. See, this is very hard to do with one person, but there it goes. And then we are going to pour the liquid, some to the left, some to the right. A little bit here, a little bit there. Look at what's happening. And as I massage these liquids in, this side is turning cold, the sodium bicarbonate. This side over here is turning hot. And it is bubbling up. You can hear the fizzling sound that it's making. You can see that the bag is starting to inflate. Mixed up together. You can see how fat the bag is getting, even though I had taken all of the air out of it. Still bubbling, still inflating. And there's the result of the chemistry in a bag experiment.